Hi, my name is Nitish Kumar from Loan Market in Canberra. Today we just want to give you an update on what's been happening in the lending market over the last few months. There's been some big changes over the last few months and we thought we'll touch on some of them today. The first thing we've noticed is the banks are asking for a lot more information than they used to. So do expect to give 3 months of your transactions and much more detailed information about your living expenses. Now, due to the banks requesting more documents, this has resulted in their timeframes blowing out from what they used to be. Banks obviously need more time to review the extra documents they're asking for. Having said that, we are still working with lenders who are approving loans on the same day that they are submitted. So if you need an urgent loan application done, make sure you touch base with a broker so we can point you in the right direction on which bank you should go to. One of the other things we are noticing, the rates are still very competitive and banks are still fighting for business. So there's still refinance rebates to move your lending to a bank. They're still offering fixed rates as low as 2.19%, and they are still chasing new business. So if you haven't reviewed your home loan for the last couple of years, it's still a great time to do that. There's been some great offers coming out from banks in the last few weeks, including from St. George, where they're giving you $1 mortgage insurance if you're a first home buyer at 85% LVR rather than 80%. So rather than needing a 20% deposit, you now only need a 15% deposit and you only have to pay $1 mortgage insurance. Now that offer can change at any time, of course, but if you are buying your first home and don't quite have the 20% deposit, we can look at that option for you. Or there are still spots available with the first home loan deposit scheme, where you only have to have a 5% deposit and the government will guarantee the remainder of your deposit. With all the changes that are happening in the lending market at the moment, it's a good time to get in touch with us today so we can help you out with your home loan.